The Digital Dealership System is the premium in-store digital sign and kiosk solution for the modern dealership. The customized, professionally installed solutions help sell more cars, increase service revenues, maximize retention, and increase overall dealer value and profitability. Today's modern dealership is under more competitive pressure than ever. With manufacturer mandates and marketing overlap, how does the dealership wow customers and close more deals? Dealers have to focus on the in-store experience to elevate their brand, value position, community history, and reinforce the buying message. Using this system, we will navigate through the dealership to learn how the utilization of technology to deliver amazing content increases your customer sales and service experience to drive more bottom-line profits. The Digital Dealership System Showroom Digital Sign Solutions separate our dealers from competitors on a customer's first step inside the store. Starting with the sales appointment board and kiosks that greet guests, to the multiple showroom options, the Digital Dealership System has the right solution for your store and budget. The customized sales appointment board is easy to update from anywhere in the store to welcome guests and offer first impressions of the store, brand, and specials. Showroom TV captures the customer's attention with amazing content and dealer specials. Our exclusive content package, dealer and manufacturer videos, help engage customers throughout the showroom. The branded multi-zone layout and exclusive super ticker provide a professional appearance with dealer customized messaging and multiple news feeds. The standard video wall includes commercial-grade, super-thin bezel screens that blur the lines of the oversized displays to create a wall-encompassing presentation. With exclusive content, manufacturer and dealer videos mixed with fun, lifestyle content, customers are wowed and immersed in the dealership experience. Are you looking for a unique video wall solution without a lot of budget stress? The 1x4 disconnected video wall takes exclusive content and wow factor to the max. Custom videos and manufacturer content flies across all screens in a never-before-seen layout. This uniquely designed and professionally installed solution gets customers excited about the dealership, brand, and experience. In the sales or finance offices, imagine replacing artwork with monitors that can double as a large screen presenter. Using our exclusive interactive platform, staff or customers can switch between finance videos and special offers. When not being used for selling, the system can silently run through promotions, videos, and digital artwork to keep a customer's focus on the sales process. Upgrade your dry erase board with the Digital Sales Leaderboard that automatically updates directly from most DMSs. Why are you still using printed reports and markers to track and motivate your staff? The Digital Dealership System Sales Leaderboard automatically updates multiple sales reports throughout the day directly from the DMS or CRM. The system can be customized by adding goals, CSI, custom reports, announcements, birthdays, and much more. The system rotates through reports automatically, or you can use the interactive option to scroll reports during meetings, training, using the wireless mouse. Are you still showing competitors' commercials in your lounge? Are news and inappropriate daytime content creating a negative impact on your store? The Digital Dealership System offers several options, including commercial-free live TV and commercial replacement. You can even add your DMS-connected service status to select products to Boost CSI. Commercial-free DDS.TV offers dealers complete control of the customer lounge entertainment. With family-friendly, filtered content mixed with dealership and exclusive videos, the customer isn't distracted by negative news or competitor ads. The premium content is surrounded by marketing messages including sales specials, finance, and service offers. Messages are easy to update online or send updates to us, and we'll do it for you. The exclusive Super Ticker automatically rotates through ESPN Sports and Entertainment Tonight news feeds, as well as dealer sales and service messages that are simple to update. You can also add DMS integrated service status, so your customers will automatically be notified when their vehicle is ready. For dealers that want to give their customers access to live TV, but keep their marketing front and center, Broadcast TV surrounds live TV with marketing and the super ticker. Customers can watch any channel they wish using your standard remote control for uninterrupted TV. Broadcast TV also supports the DMS integrated service status to help boost CSI and future business. For dealers that want the ultimate control of live TV, the Digital Dealership System offers commercial replacement on live TV. The system senses when outside commercials are going to play and interrupts them with dealer and manufacturer commercials, virtually eliminating competitor ads. The Digital Dealership System Customer Lounge TV solutions appeal to both the dealer's needs and the customer's desires. Service drives profit, but most stores consider service marketing as an afterthought. Adding screens in the service drive increases service revenues, customer confidence, retention, and boosts CSI. The Digital Dealership System offers service appointment boards, digital menus, welcome boards, as well as dare-to-compare messaging and service texting. The digital service menu uses multiple zones to show unlimited menus and service marketing. Multiple menus mean dealers can show categorized menus for brands, services, and features such as scheduled maintenance, quick serve, premium services, and more. Customers see the transparent pricing at the same time as marketing messages highlighting the service packages offered at the dealership. For sophisticated dealers, screens can be connected to the DMS or CRM to show the day's appointments and status updates automatically to boost CSI. All systems feature dealership customized branding and the exclusive super ticker with dealer sales and service specials, as well as ESPN Sports and Entertainment Tonight news updates. The Dare to Compare system is also referred to as a digital why buy, as it not only shows prices but highlights the competitive services available in the dealership. Multiple Dare to Compare templates can rotate along with service and sales marketing messages, increasing the value of the dealership's service department. Why settle for a printed board that is updated with tape and markers? Upgrade to a digital Dare to Compare and highlight why service customers should select your store over the others. The welcome board automatically rotates to customers who are likely to show in the drive at a certain time. Using the DMS integration, names quickly rotate from the appointment schedule and serves as an alternative to high-cost RFID readers. Additional marketing and messages can be added to customize the board for your service drive. Today's customer is a digital customer. Today's customer is also an informed customer. The Digital Dealership System utilizes kiosks to put information in the customer's hands, while the digital POP displays update the tired vinyl pop-ups surrounding many dealerships. Kiosk solutions serve as a customer resource center throughout the showroom and service areas. Each kiosk solution is customized for the dealership to include multiple applications to meet their ever-changing needs. From check-in, inventory, brochures, videos to digital retailing and service applications, kiosks are designed to give customers a hands-on approach while providing the dealer with a flexible platform. Digital POP displays have a 4 times recall rate than current vinyl point-of-sale displays that clutter the dealership. With support for full motion video and unlimited content, the possibilities are endless. Online content management means that a simple click can update screens in sales and service. The Digital Dealership System's exclusive POP content captivates customers and grabs their attention so they don't miss your important messages. Utilize kiosks and digital POP displays throughout the dealership to convert stale marketing into an interactive in-store experience. Imagine sharing the in-store experience across social media platforms with just a few clicks. DDS Messenger allows your staff to take a picture of a new car purchase and customize a blast message across social media. Not only the store's Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, but also the accounts of the staff and customers. With Screen Blast technology, the system will announce the new car purchase across screens in the dealership, creating excitement for staff and customers alike. DDS Messenger is a free download on the Apple App Store or Google Play. Download it today. The Digital Dealership System offers a premium suite of digital sign and kiosk solutions for the modern dealer. The professionally designed and installed solutions increase dealer profits and drive future growth for all brands and sizes of dealerships. The constantly growing list of services and integrations make the Digital Dealership System the right partner for today's dealership and tomorrow's market leader. Visit our website or contact your local representative today to learn more and allow us to digitize your dealership.